All right. Um, Today we'll be talking about the trades we took on Friday, which the 9th of May. All right, the 9th of May. So you all know I trade only the silver bullet. I trade only the silver bullet, of which we have a wide advantage when it comes to our risk and the pips by which we risk. My last trade, I risked 3 pips in the trade. Right, so right about now, let's head down and no waste more time. So right now, the silver bullet works with three time frames in a day. The silver bullet works with 3 time frame in a day. So let me just go ahead and do everything and set it in place. So these are the time we used for our silver bullet entries. Every time here is not on your local time. I trade from Africa, I trade from Nigeria, the West African time, GMT +1. But then I had to use the New York time frame, 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. You should get a perfect entry from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Make sure you get a perfect entry, and then your entry must be in the time frame. Your entry must be in the time frame, but your exit can be outside the time frame or within the time frame. In as much that most times before 13 minutes we have hitting TP. So most times you may close in that certain 1 hour time frame, and in some days where price are messy and does not move fast, you may not be able to close in the time frame, but you can close outside the time frame, right? Then the second silver bullet, it's from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York Standard Time, right? So right in this time, you look for your perfect entries, and there you enter the market. Then the next silver bullet session is 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So we have 3 trading opportunities in a day, of which you can discipline yourself. Some people do just this, some do just this, some do just this too, and some do the 3. But then there is no one that is wrong. So let's head down to analyze our trades on Friday. So there is this particular thing I always look out for when trading. I always wait for this stuffs like this goes down this way, then I wait for a sweep of this place, of this zone. I always wait for a sweep of the zone, right? Then it should give me a market structure shift at this particular zone. Then the market should come back to my POI, of which I may have. I always do have an FVG for the confirmation to sell the market, right? In confirmation to sell the market. Then if I'm buying, it is just the opposite of this. It is just the opposite of this. So let's just head down to see the particular thing price did. So this particular time frame is the 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. session, right? So in Nigerian time, it means from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Sorry, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So let's play the replay, and let's see the next moves. So this is it, the market. This is the time frame. Yes, it has cleared an high. So mostly I'll be waiting to see the next candle to know what I will take. So there's an FVG here. There's an FVG here. So we'll be watching to see. I know that morning I didn't take the trade because the trade didn't come to me. So right, let me speed up the process. So and there was no trade for me that particular morning. Yes, and our stop loss would have been just a little bit below here, 6 pips stop loss, and we always target 1 is 2 3. Never forget, stay disciplined, right? So market played out and we didn't have an entry, so that's that. Let's head down to the second silver bullet time frame. So this is our next silver bullet 1 hour time frame we are going to be trading, right? So this is 11, this is 10 a.m. this line, and this line is 11 a.m. So we'll be playing the market to see those particular things we are looking for, right? So then this is what happened that Friday morning, right? So the market gave me an FVG But then we should take note that this high was taken. Here's a 1 minute chart. This high was taken, right? The high was taken. So once this high is taken, a low was still taken here, right? There is this little low here, so it would have been a perfect trade for us. So this is it. So let's do that. The liquidity, right? Now there is a place open for us. The fair value gap is at this area, right? This particular area. Let's zoom the chart. A particular area for the FVG. So now we are waiting after this particular sweep for the market to come to this zone and then buy, and then we'll take a buy. So there, this is our buy 2. Place it right above here, and stop loss a little below this low. This is 5 pip stop loss, guys. This is 5 pip stop loss, right? And then we target 1:3. This is 1:3. Okay, then let's see what the market did. It never came back to us, and there we still lost an entry. On this zone. I could remember I was actually waiting. So let's head down to our next silver bullet time frame. So before we go ahead, if you could remember, we said these are the silver bullet time frames, right, on these sessions. So this particular line is representing the 2 p.m. and this particular line is representing 3 p.m. right? So let's play the market to see what happened. We closed out in a huge profit on this particular trade. So let's head down to the playing mode. So right about now, let's watch. Right now, and the market was tanking, and then I discovered we had a sweep below, right, and a very good and a very good FVG at this zone. In this particular zone there was an FVG, so I was kind of skeptical about it. But then the market came and it gave us a multiple touch, and with these rejections I knew that the market is going to tank down. So I just let's take out our sell position and just placed it around here, and this is it. Stop loss was 3 pips. It was supposed to be here, but then 2 pips it was a little bit tight for me, coupled with the spread from my broker, so I just had to make it here. This is, I think I did 3.8 that particular day, 3.8 pips, right about here, right? So we enter the market, and we aim 1:3 always, 1:3 always. Now this is 1:3, and let's play the market and see what actually happened. So this is it. Market kept tanking on to this point. Voila. So this is it. So this is how Friday trades went. It went so good, although first entry I missed it, second entry I missed it, but the third entry we all got our 1:3 risk to reward. It wasn't a very good day for me because I always target to get at least 2 wins in a session, but then the market printed it out good for me. So in order not to make this just to clear the doubt and the curiosity about whether is an hindsight kind of trading, this is the WhatsApp group I sent this, right? And then this is it. This is when I hit the TP. So just 3 pips. So thank you very much, and this is how my trade went for Friday the 9th of May. Hope this video inspires you, and then if you really want to learn the silver bullet strategy, just there is a link to my bio. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification button, and don't forget to share. Thank you.